A startup biopharmaceutical company is setting up shop in Sarasota County and hopes to employ hundreds of workers here. SNN Local News 6 reporter Jessica Jordan joins us now with the details on the company and the potential new jobs.
Yeah, Lakewood Amedex Incorporated only has a handful of employees now, but the founders are hoping to hire nearly 500. And to do it, they're hoping for a little help from the county.
I think it's the kind of business that the county is looking to attract. This is different from the classic tourism and construction industry.
Parkinson co-founded Lakewood Amedex Incorporated, a biopharmaceutical company that creates anti-infective products for bacterial and viral diseases.
The stage that we're about to go through is what's called human clinical trials, where our drugs will be tested in humans and they'll be shown to be safe and shown to be effective in terms of what we're trying to do.
Within 3 to 4 years, the company hopes to hire nearly 500 employees. They've asked the county for help in buying and equipping a building for them to get started.
Sarasota has, as witnessed by this economic downturn, has so much invested in the financial and real estate industry that it's important for us to diversify our economic portfolios.
Lakewood Amedex has asked commissioners for $4 million. Part of that sum would come from recovery zone bonds, money which is used to help bring companies to the area and spur the job market.
As the drugs come through the clinical trials towards the market, then we really ramp up production so that we can make, large quantities to supply the market. And that's where most of the jobs will be, in manufacturing.
Lakewood Amedex founders say they'll eventually expand the scope of the products they create, moving towards fields like cancer and chronic human disease.
Jessica, we heard from one of the co-founders there in your report. What do we know about the principles of this company, about the people who are running it?
Well, we do know these guys have a lot of experience. 2 of them started a company 10 years ago, and they got millions of dollars from investors. And we do know the gentleman we interviewed in this story, Steve Parkinson, he was actually a manager at the company that created the clone for Dolly the sheep back in 1996, if you remember that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So they're certainly hoping they're successful here in Sarasota, and commissioners are hoping the same, that they can kind of turn the economy around and create all of these jobs. They're pledging to hire 500 people, so
jobs are what people are looking for these days. All right.
Certainly.
Thanks, Jessica.